This is ComfyUI for advertising, out-of-home visualization. This workflow takes a poster or artwork and visualizes it in real-world outdoor advertising placements. It has two methods depending on how much control you need over the environment. Method 1 is prompt scenarios. Load your poster and the workflow automatically generates 3 placements in parallel: a highway billboard, a bus shelter panel, and a building wrap. Each uses Gemini Image 2 with a different scene prompt. You can customize each scenario in the labeled scenario nodes and add shared additional detail, like time of day or lighting direction, in the optional node that applies to all 3 at once. 3 saved mockups come out in a single run. Use this when you want to visualize different out-of-home format and aspect ratios of the same poster at once. Method 2 is custom image. Use this when you have a specific real-world photo you want to place the poster into. Load your poster and the photo of the location. The workflow automatically extends the poster to fit the aspect ratio of the image, then Gemini replaces the existing billboard or panel in the photo with your artwork. Use this for client-specific locations or when the prompt scenarios don't match the environment you need.